Hi Praveen, just a short note of thanks to you and your team for the wonderful job in developing our platform presenter, our presenting platform. We found the team to be highly professional, great teamwork, very patient, and Pooja, your communication was great. You were always there when we needed to ask questions. Lastly, Praveen, your leadership has been extraordinary, really helping us get over some fairly large hurdles, always finding a solution. So overall, we've been really happy and we'll look forward to working with you again in the near future. Thanks once again to the whole team.